Welcome, young adventurers, to a world filled with music and wonder. Today, we're diving into the captivating universe of musical instruments. Get ready for an exciting journey that will introduce you to the magic of melodies and rhythms. From the piano's delicate keys to the drum's rhythmic beats, a symphony of sounds awaits. Let's explore this enchanting realm of musical instruments together. Our first stop is the magnificent piano. The piano boasts a mesmerizing arrangement of black and white keys, each producing its own unique sound. Press gently for a soft note, or press firmly for a louder one. Let's create our own harmonious tune. Next up, we have the captivating guitar, a stringed marvel. Strumming the strings conjures delightful melodies. Did you know that pressing the strings at different points creates high and low sounds? Let's give it a try. Now, let's march to the beat of the drums. Drums are all about rhythm. Tap with your hands, or use the sticks, to create a rhythmic masterpiece. Let's drum up a lively parade together. Moving on to something delicate. Say hello to the elegant flute. Blowing air through this slender instrument produces beautiful, enchanting melodies. Covering the holes in different ways changes the notes. Let's make some musical magic. Introducing the bold and brassy trumpet. Blow air into it while pressing the valves to unleash powerful sounds. Each valve produces a distinct note. Let's create our own trumpet tune. What a symphony of discovery we've experienced today. Musical instruments are magical tools that let us express ourselves through beautiful melodies. Whether it's the piano, guitar, drums, flute, or trumpet, each instrument has a unique voice. So keep exploring, keep playing, and keep creating. Thank you for joining us on this enchanting musical journey. Don't forget to like and subscribe to stay tuned for more thrilling learning adventures. Until next time, keep making music, create beautiful melodies, and let your musical brilliance resonate. See you on the next video. Little brainy boogies.